This is how you color correct your night sky in Affinity Photo to make your photos go from this to this. Before you pull things up in Affinity Photo, you want to raw process your image. Though you can do this inside the Affinity Photo Develop persona. What you want to do is you want to make sure that all of these color histograms are aligning by going to white balance and then adjusting them so they're right around the same spot as each other. It doesn't need to be an exact science because you're going to do most of your color correcting in curves in Affinity Photo. Once your histogram does kind of look like this, you can pull it up in Affinity Photo or click Develop. When doing your basic color correcting of the night sky, you want to stay inside the curves adjustment. So go down to adjustments and then all the way down to curves. I like to expand the image with a simple S curve at the very start. This will help the colors look how you want them to do after it's expanded. Now what you do is you go to the individual color panels and you remove the colors that you think are distracting. So we start with red and then we just remove that until we get rid of most of that red. We then go to green and then we remove it until we don't really see too much green without introducing too much purple. Then same thing with blue, we remove the blue, and then right here it seems like we have a lot more green. We can tune back that blue just a little bit and then remove some of that green. Eventually what you can do is you can align up the side of the histograms of these colors, bringing that green to align up right there on that edge side, and then aligning up that blue to align in the same way. Then just take a look at your image and what you think would be best creative. I think that this is just a little bit purple, so I'm going to go to green and I'm going to bring back some of that green. And I do quite like a bit of red inside my Milky Way, so we're gonna bring back some of that. Then after that, I like to do one more curves adjustment to really bring out a lot of those shadows that we've toned down, and then you have a basic color for your image. And there you have it. Make sure to subscribe for more content.